Look at the doggy, y'all. We're in Target, man. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. Y'all about to be on YouTube. How y'all feel? How y'all feel about being on? We already tried that, and you guys made me take the video down. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, actually I wasn't even I didn't even say nothing, but we're gonna be going on a little vacay. Not really. I don't even know, bro. It's a little trip. We're gonna be going up to, I don't even know. Where is it we're going? Vermont for the weekend. We got an Airbnb over there because these ladies want to go look at trees. So we're gonna drive 6 hours to go look at trees. That should be interesting. I am not in my 440,000, so I left that back at home. If I did though, that would have been a really cool road trip, but we're not doing all that because I definitely don't want to drive 10 hours. And on top of that, my car needs like an oil change. I'm like over 1,000 miles due. Right now we're at Target. They're getting a couple things, so I'm gonna try to vlog the whole weekend so you guys can see what's up. And then hopefully we do, I know we got a couple things that we're gonna do, like zip line is one of them. And I don't know what else, to be honest, but I'll show you guys once we get there. Little road trip for you guys. It would have been cool to bring my 440,000, but we don't got that today, but that's gonna be alright. And yeah, so I'm gonna get what we need from Target, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Did that thing just go up by itself? Oh, it's a fake ghost. $100 for that? God damn, bro. This ghost is expensive. Yo, don't bring me to Target, y'all, because look at this thing. What the heck? Ooh. It's a ghost. Ooh, it's a skeleton ghost. That kind of reminds me of the little kids show. What was that show? That I guess the guy with the staff looking thing? I think that's what that's supposed to be, right? I don't know. Let me know down below because I honestly think that's what that is, but I'm not sure. Yo, it's really Halloween season, bro. I deadass would be this for Halloween. That is kind of fire, though. Do you guys have your Halloween costume picked out yet? And if you do, what is your Halloween costume? I want to see who has the coolest costume between all of us. I'm gonna show you guys what mine is. I'm not gonna tell you guys, I'll show you guys, but let me know what your costume is. What up, you guys? Yo, so right now we're at a gas station. We got like an hour and 20 minutes left to go. We pull up to the gas station because they gotta use the bathroom. We're also probably gonna go inside to get something to drink. I'm just chilling. I just need to get out and like stretch my legs, so I'm probably just gonna do that. I'm watching the car right now. But look at the car, you guys. Like, this Kia is actually very, very nice. It's a 2023, I don't know, it says GT line. It's a Kia something, and it's actually really, really nice. So matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys what the outside looks like. Let me grab the key before, make sure we don't lock ourselves out. Where is the key? Oh, right here. It's actually a really nice Kia, to be honest. This is what we driving today, bro. It's very nice, you know. It's a smaller car, but it's white like the 440,000. You guys know we love white. This is what the interior looks like. You got this, and you got the big screen. You got the nice steering wheel. That's probably my favorite part. The steering wheel looks amazing. There's actually a lot of space. Well, the back we got masked up back there, so that doesn't matter. I'm gonna go run inside, get something to drink, use the bathroom, and then back on the road. On the road again. Yo, I just got pulled over, y'all. I was going 48 apparently on a 30, so we got the popo back there. He said he might let me go with a warning if we don't got a warrant, which I don't, I hope. Imagine you come back and say I got a warrant. He's coming right now.
You're gonna keep me out of the video you're recording?
What's that?
You said you're gonna keep me out of the video you're recording?
I'm just a YouTuber. I make videos and stuff like that.
Shit. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a verbal warning, so I don't have any good content for you on this stop or anything like that.
Sounds good. I take that good content.
Watch your speed.
Yeah. It's just that we have no internet, and like it didn't show, so I'm just trying to, you know.
I hear you, man. But no, like I said, if you're trying to go to Stowe, go where that red car is, and that'll be the quickest way. Give it 10 minutes, you'll get service.
Okay.
And you'll be kind of back into civilization.
Sounds good. All right, appreciate it. Have a good one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. First things first, shout out to that officer, man. He was very much chill about it. I don't know if in the video, because I had to check out my phone because my camera was nowhere near. I don't know if in the video you could hear him saying, oh, I'm too bad I don't got good content for you. I was like, nah, bro, you could. Hey, if good content involves a freaking ticket, yeah, I don't want it. But yeah, right now we're at our last stop before we get there. I think we got like 30 minutes left. I've been driving for almost 6 hours, yeah. Like, my butt hurt, everything hurt. We're just gonna get some liquor and then we'll go to the Airbnb. I'm gonna show you guys what the Airbnb looks like. It's not nothing crazy because our main goal here was to like look at trees, but we came and there's just a whole bunch of dead trees, so I don't really know what we're about to do, but hey, we're gonna get some liquor. I'm gonna put some gas as well, and I'm just gonna go inside and do that. So I'll catch you guys once we get there. Hopefully, man, I'm tired of driving already, but I'm gonna show you guys the house or whatever we're staying at. Honestly, I haven't even seen it myself, so I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna get the same impression, so stay tuned for that. Let's get it. Yo, so we finally eating, bro. It's not loud in here, so I'm gonna keep it short. But look, I got this stromboli thing. Look how big that shit is. I ain't even gonna eat all that. I'm probably gonna save most of it, but man, we were waiting for a while. I'm gonna enjoy it, and then I don't know what we're doing after this, but I'm about to eat. I'll see y'all later. Yo, yeah, I violated that stromboli, bro. I'm stuffed, bro. I don't know what she laughing, bro. Like, I violated that, bro. It's not loud in here. You heard what I said? I said I violated the stromboli. I ate that whole thing, right? Did I eat it all?
I'll get the footage of you later dogging that at 1 p.m.
Damn. Yo, can y'all believe we still not at the Airbnb, bro? Where we staying at? We've been all over the place. It's currently 7:55. We left the crib. What time we left? Not early, right? And
9 a.m., 10 a.m.
yeah, like something like that. And it's 8 p.m. and we still not there. Little 10 hours, right? It was like 6-hour driving. Then we got some food. I'm freaking stuffed. Yeah, a couple stops. You know, like 2 gas stations, and yeah, bro. Now we just at the supermarket trying to buy a couple things for the house, and then that's it. Right after that, we're going to the house, and then we're going to the Airbnb. So you guys finally get to see it, man. I know it's been a minute. Does it look nice?
Airbnb?
I haven't seen it.
Market is now closed
Oh.
for the evening. Please bring your purchases up to the register.
Oh, you
Thank
lucky
you.
we just came in here. They just said they closed. It's probably dead as hell in here. But yeah, I'm just gonna buy what we need real quick and then head to the house. I got you. Don't worry, yeah. Don't go anywhere. I'm watching you, bro. Do not go anywhere. I'm about to show you the crib, bro. Probably nothing too big, but I don't even know, bro. I'm kind of tired. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna catch you in a few. All right, yeah. So we finally made it. There's a little entrance right here. You go up these stairs. I haven't seen anything yet, so I'm gonna show you guys pretty much everything because I haven't seen it. I guess there's nothing in there. What's in here? Oh, this is a laundry spot. Nice. Okay. All right, hold on. Let me close this. What the heck is this? Well, this is like a little closet where everything is at. All right. There's a little kitchen. We got the table right here. This is the actual kitchen. It's pretty cold in here, but we just put up the heater. Up, give me a little fridge. Keep going this way. You got the living room right here. Got a TV. Got a fireplace. Oh, we should turn that fireplace on, huh? What? They probably put it in there. There is fire in there. But hey, they got carpet. I feel like I haven't stepped on carpet like that thick in mad long. But anyway, there is an upstairs, but I'm assuming that's where the rooms are. So we're gonna go up the steps. Let's see what's up here. What the heck is this little spot for? I don't know what that's for, but it's going up here. You got the bathroom. Funny yellow looking, but it's just a bathroom, so it don't even matter. We got a small room. Not in that much lights, but you got 2 little beds. So whenever you guys want to come, just let me know. Y'all can stay in here. And then there's another room, bigger bed. There you go. I'm not gonna lie, these wall colors is dumb ugly, but there's a closet right here. I'll give you guys a house tour, man. MTB cribs. All right, what else is over here, man? I'll show you the bathroom. I'm assuming. Oh, that's locked. I wonder what they got in there. Chill. And then this is the big body. Oh, that's a big body bed, bro. Jeez, that's bigger than a king size. That's like a whatever is next after king. That's what that is. I'm assuming. Oh, what is this? I don't know. All these lights is off, but this is what it is. You got another TV here. If it's a smart TV, that would be dope. If it's not, that's kind of tragic. And then you got the other bathroom. So this room got its own bathroom. And I mean, that's it, guys. That's going to be the end of day 1. Tomorrow we got a couple things that we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be vlogging that as well. So stay tuned for that. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what other content you guys want to see. And comment down below if you like this kind of content. And I might bring more of those for you guys. Because I like taking trips. My girl likes taking trips. So we always, we always somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoy. Your boy loves you. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Yo, look at these pumpkins we just caught, bro. Yo, I'm gonna need y'all to go. Look, can you? I don't know if y'all. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Comment down below which one you guys like the most. They are absolutely fire. Oh, and she got the side. Oh, that's heat.
I heard number
Nah,
three.
that's crazy. Yo, comment below. I'm out.
I heard
Number 1.
Snapchat,
Number 1.
I heard number
Nah,
three.
they so fire. Look at them. Chee.